A very warm and pleasant good morning to all my dear students of class 2A and 2B. Again, I am here today to start a new chapter, A Strange Zoo. Chapter number 7, page number 51. So before getting started with the chapter, let me know, have you ever dreamt? Do you dream while sleeping? Or have you seen any funny dream? What kind of dream you dream? What kind of dream comes in your sleep while you are sleeping? It is funny, it is scary. What kind of dream? So you all will think and let me know when your school reopens, okay? I will ask you all in the class, do you dream? What kind of dream you see? Okay? So let's get started with the chapter. Everyone can open page number 51, okay? Natasha and Rohit went to the zoo last Sunday. There was this boy and a girl, a small boy and a girl. You can see in the picture also, right? Named Natasha. So they went to the zoo last Sunday. It was a strange zoo. Everything in it was so different. There was a giraffe with short neck. So the zoo they visited, it was very strange, unusual, difficult to, strange means difficult to understand, okay? Everything in it was so different. Whatever they were looking around, it was different from the normal zoo. The giraffe with a short neck. They saw a giraffe with a short neck. Whenever I say giraffe, what kind of giraffe picture comes in your mind? Giraffe with a long neck, right? Because we all have read that giraffe has long neck. But in this zoo, there was this giraffe with short neck. You can see in the picture also, right? Giraffe with a short neck. Then the monkeys were swimming in the pool, a crocodile climbing a tree. Does monkey they swim? Monkey they always climb tree and they move from tree to tree. But in this zoo, the monkeys were swimming and crocodile were climbing the tree. And what does normally crocodile? They swim and monkeys they climb the tree. But in this zoo, the monkeys were swimming in the pool and the crocodile were climbing the tree. So when they looked around, there was a blue camel eating flower. Camel are usually brown in color, like light brown in color. But in this zoo, this camel was blue in color. The penguins were huge and they could fly. Can penguin fly? No, penguin is a flightless bird. So in this zoo, these penguins were also flying. The fish were flying in the air and some were sitting on the tree. The fish, you can see in the picture also, right? The fish, some fish they are flying and some are sitting in the tree also. So when they looked around, they saw the lions were eating grass. Do lions eat grass? No, they eat raw meat. They also saw a huge rabbit in a cage. Rabbits normally they move freely. But in this zoo, there was this huge rabbit also. Rabbit are small and cute, right? But in this zoo, there was this huge rabbit. It was kept in the cage. And the lion was moving freely. Can lion move freely? No. If it will move freely, then it will eat other animals and it will eat human being also, those who go and visit the zoo, right? So but it was very unusual in this zoo. The lions, they were moving freely and eating grass, and there was this huge rabbit also. Rabbits are normally small, but in this zoo, this rabbit was very huge and it was kept in the cage. Instead of lion, rabbits were kept in the cage. So moving around in the zoo, both the children were amazed at the sight. Amazed means to suddenly fill with wonder. It was very strange to see unusual things in and around the zoo. The crocodiles, they were climbing the tree. The monkeys were swimming. The birds, instead of birds flying, the fish were flying. Instead of a lion inside the cage, there was a rabbit inside the cage. So everything was very unusual and they were amazed at the sight, right? So Natasha said to Rohit, why is everything so different? So Natasha, she asked that, why is everything very different in and around? Rohit replied, I don't know. I have never seen anything like this before. Have you come to some magical land? So they were thinking that they have come to some magical land. That's why they are seeing everything unusual. So Rohit replied that I don't know. I have never seen anything like this before. He is saying that I have never seen anything as such before. Everything is very unusual. Everything is very strange here. Have we come to some magical land? So they were thinking that we have come to some magical land. That's why everything is very strange and unusual in this. So while they were thinking that they have come to some magical land, just then one of the monkeys jumped on him and he shouted, "No, no, get away from me." So they were thinking that they had come in some magical land. That's why they were able to see all these strange things in and around them, right? So at that time only, you can see in the picture also, the one monkey, it jumped from the tree and it catched the boy from the back, and he said, "No, no, get back. No, no, get away from me." He said, "Get away from me." Then he heard Natasha and his mother say, "Rohit, what's wrong with you? Were you dreaming?" Oh, it was a dream. He was dreaming. That's why it was so strange, right? He heard when suddenly this monkey, it came and sat in his back. He started shouting in the dream only. He started shouting, and somewhere he heard that Natasha and his mother were saying that, "Rohit, what is wrong with you? Were you dreaming?" So they were asking, "Rohit, why are you shouting? Were you dreaming? Why are you shouting in the dream? Why are you shouting in your sleep? Were you dreaming about something?" Yes, indeed. Rohit was sitting on his bed. There was no such zoo he had visited. He was just dreaming in his sleep. And all his bed clothes had fallen on the floor. In dream only, he must have moved his legs, his hands, because he was so amazed to see all this strange thing in the zoo, right? He must have moved all his hands, his legs. So all his bed clothes, it was fallen on the floor. It was lying on the floor. He had been dreaming all the time. So it was not real. It was not real. It was all in his dream. It was all while he was sleeping. He was dreaming about some strange zoo. He was dreaming about some strange animals. It was all a dream only. It was not reality. So that is why everything was strange, because normally giraffe, they have long neck, fish, they don't fly, crocodile, they don't climb the tree, and etc. Right? So it was in his dream, he was dreaming all these unusual things. So in the beginning only, I had asked you, no, do you people dream? Do you see dream while you are sleeping? That's why I had asked, because this story is all about this boy's dream. He was dreaming. Nothing was so real. Nothing was real. Whatever he has dreamt, it was all in his dream. He had dreamt all these strange things, strange animals in the zoo. I hope you all understood the chapter. What I say every time, you all will read the chapter. You all will go through the chapter 1 whenever I complete the chapter, all this, okay? You all will go through this chapter, read it as much as you can, until and unless you get all the words fluently and clearly. It will improve your vocabulary. This is the right time to utilize your time for all these things. When your school will reopen, you all will be busy with your homework, your test and everything. This is your free time, right? You all can utilize this time in order to improve your English, in order to improve your speaking skill. So you all will read the chapter whenever I explain you some new chapter. Make sure you read all the chapters properly and clearly. If you are not able to read somewhere, you can ask your parents for help, but try reading it yourself on your own so that you will improve your vocabulary. Okay? So that's all for today, my dear students. In the next video, we will discuss all the exercises from this topic, and you all will follow your online classes regularly and do the online test also. Whatever test you get from all the subjects, you all will do it properly, and stay home, stay safe, obey your parents, follow your online classes regularly, and see you all in the next video with all the exercises from this chapter. Okay, have a good day and be a good children.